OUT is a generic output file. It's usually a text log from a compilation or script. Open it in Notepad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the log. Here's a professional insight. For those OUT files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. An OUT file is a generic output file, often generated by compilers, linkers, or other software development tools. It typically contains the compiled or processed results of a program or script. The specific content and format of an OUT file depend heavily on the software that created it. OUT files can contain various types of data, including executable code, object code, or data generated during a program's execution. The structure of an OUT file is determined by the compiler or toolchain used. It may require specific software or utilities to interpret or process the contents correctly. This OUT file is designed specifically for the developer tool GNU Compiler Collection GCC by GNU project. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows allows basic viewing, but advanced editing options need the appropriate document application. Begin the search for the correct program. Right-click the OUT file and choose Open With. Use GNU Compiler Collection, GCC, first if available. If it's absent, select another application. Keep testing until the OUT file opens successfully. The stubbornness of this OUT file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, or code editor to view the plain text output content. Next, check Associated Program. Determine the associated program, e.g. compiler utility that created the out file. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.